Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Here's a live look from Grants Pass. Beautiful fall color. It was a little cloudy and cool over the weekend to enjoy some of the fall foliage, but we are going to see a nice stretch of dry and warm weather the next several days through the work week. Temperatures running near to even above average, especially for the second half of this work week. Looking out at the satellite and radar imagery, we are seeing pretty quiet weather, dry conditions throughout southern Oregon and northern California. Just a few high clouds, but some thicker cloud cover to the north and even some rain up around the Seattle area with that next storm system. This is going to drop south tomorrow. It doesn't look like we're going to get much wet weather from it, but we will get a little bit more in the way of clouds for the afternoon tomorrow. Now, here's a look at current temperatures. 62 in Klamath Falls, 58 in Lakeview after a cool weekend, rebounding nicely today up to 70 in Medford, 70 right now in Montague, and 71 degrees in Grants Pass. Winds are fairly light, but we will notice winds picking up offshore as we head into Wednesday. And the coast, we could be looking at in the Brookings area up towards 80 for highs come Wednesday, thanks to some strong offshore winds. So that's some exciting news there in October. But as far as tonight, it will be on the chillier side, especially for inland areas east of the Cascades, dropping down below freezing. 42 the overnight low in Medford and 40 in Wairika. Could see a little bit of patchy fog in some of our west side and east side valleys. As you head out the door to work and school tomorrow, although temperatures will be on the cooler side, it will stay dry for the afternoon. We will see temperatures rebounding into the mid to upper 60s in most of our west side valleys. Fairly seasonal actually for this time of the year. Up to 63 in Klamath Falls, 70 in Wairika, up to 65 in Grants Pass, and 66 in Brookings. Now here's a look at Stormcast. So the rain tries to make its way into southern Oregon, but a lot of it is going to dry up. Most of it staying north of the Umpqua Divide. But we will get a little bit more in the way of some passing clouds tomorrow. And then Wednesday morning, likely starting off with some areas of fog and low clouds in many of our west side valleys. That should move out, but winds will kick up along the coast, and that's what's going to warm things up nicely for parts of the coast as we head towards Wednesday. Now tomorrow, again, the shower chance is going to stay well to the north, but can't rule out in extreme northern Klamath and far northern Curry County maybe a shower being produced, but for the most part it's going to stay pretty tranquil the next several days as we head through the middle of the week along the coast. There's Wednesday up around 80 for highs and still pretty warm on Thursday with many spots climbing into the 70s. The Rogue Valley temperatures climbing well above average by Thursday, up to 76 for a high, and the warm weather does stick around through the rest of the work week, but can't quite make it for the weekend. A strong shot of cold air works on in, and temperatures will be considerably cooler for this upcoming weekend. But we do stay dry, looking good though for outdoor plans with quite a bit of sunshine. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast for the coast. Some breezy winds Wednesday and Thursday, helping to warm those temperatures up a bit, and also lots of sunshine. Northern California staying dry, temperatures warming up Thursday and Friday, highs well into the 70s, and then there's that cool down for this weekend. The Klamath Basin above average temperatures for the most part through the work week, but this weekend highs in the 40s again by Sunday and Monday. For the Cascades, all in all staying fairly quiet, but temperatures really drop off a bit this weekend. Highs in the 40s and even 30s up towards Crater Lake. And then in the Rogue Valley, some morning fog here in the next few mornings, but that's about it. The big story will be those warmer temperatures, especially Thursday and Friday.
Oh, looks great. Thanks very much.